Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodi, the CFO man, they thank one of his strong supporters wey dey for diaspora wey send shoe come give am. Comrade Stanley Osaze still talk about CFO. He say they very important for person wey get land for Benin City for Edo State to get CFO to secure his land. Make I leave you now with Comrade Stanley Osaze.
Good evening, wherever you're watching me from. I remember humble self, right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodi, Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, CEO Stand Sadi Enterprise, in fact, the CFO man Edo State. I am very glad this morning, my brother, my leader, all the way from diaspora, sent his brother to deliver this pair of shoes to me. And if you look at this shoe critically, you know if you are a Benin man, you agree to the fact that on area be a car. This will not be small picking. You don't understand. So, right in my residence this morning, my brother just came and delivered this to me. Fortunately, we are the one doing their CFO. It is just good to be good. And I want to say a very big thank you to my leader, the chair of all chair. We met ourselves first through this means. And as of today, the special relationship that exists between us still remains an ironclad. What price this shoe for market now? And make it not come be like say, me I call the live or community response. But you know, even the shoe where they my leg, safety. But I tell the entire bush. Now person said bring out that shoe. This one again, I want to go. You got what they call Posan. Posan. Now I just have to tell you just as I want to change. Now you say no. Make I leave out for one of this Sunday. Another Sunday now, if you see this part of my leg, then you'll say, man, those are going to put the they wear design. You don't say now. Now community response. People they do want. I want to say a very big thank you to you, sir, and to all our esteemed customers. This is an encouragement. We are going to ensure that we're going to do more and deliver where necessary. And to you, my brother, as early as today, I'm supposed to confine you. Now, me suppose you tell me, say, it don't come, also carry call. You came to me to still come meet me. Who be me on the normal ground? So, in as much as we thank Usain Akom, we extend the thank you to you. Because if you say, maybe your brother, you say, go and give us Osakwenokwodi. You say, brother, John Bull's leg don't get shoe. It's not about shoe, no day. Hey, this one shoe, no day. My brother will say, hello, Osakwenokwodi. We plan to bring it, but more to spoil. They will bring it again. You go deliver it to who you want to give. So when you go say, brother, yeah, go give her correct. You yourself, we thank you too. Because if you not talk, forget. At the end of the day, who they benefit? Not me. Not me one way or another. When I will call that now, they not go the reason I'm supposed to. Well, I know can't believe ya. I never rest. Osakwenokwodi. Boss, thank you. I so much appreciate it. Bye for now. A great good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. I remain my humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodi, Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, CEO Stand Sadi Enterprise, in fact, the CFO man, Edo State. I want to use this opportunity to first of all thank my EA, our EA, our EA, a great woman of inestimable value. She actually commissioned us to carry out a CFO application on her behalf. So the offer letter came in, and alongside with so many, I said, EA, I will not just go and collect the offer letter. For the purpose of transparency, I left the offer for a year to be available so that we can go there and collect it together. On getting there, we received the offer letter and many more. And the beautiful part of it is that the Edo State government these days now attach your tasks alongside your offer. You see new structure being established by the Obaseki administration. This is so with this, Iye is now a taxpayer in Edo. Let's take an example. Iye wants to bring in something from the diaspora. Let's say Iye is importing cars. Iye is bringing in things from around the world. Nobody whatsoever have the prerogative to say, hey, Iye, come and give us this. Iye will tell them, I am a legal taxpayer in Edo State. Before, when you pay, they'll just give you the hey, but these days, the Board of Internal Revenue must acknowledge your tax payment. So this is a huge opportunity for all and sundry. Every individual now cannot have access. Do you know how much it is to do a tax clearance? But today, because of your application in respect to CFO, you are now having access to the tax structure in Edo State. At least that is enough for us to commend the executive governor of Edo State. When somebody will go school, they manage the affair of a state. Now this kind of thing you go to see. The Bible says when the righteous rule, people rejoice. I may be mistaken in terms of the application of the biblical inclination. But that is the point. As we speak today, under the able leadership of His Excellency Governor Godwin Ayase Obaseki and the well-thinking leader, Architect Ewuoma, who happens to be the managing director of Edo G's, I think we need to commend this dua for this idea. Now, I told Iye, I said, Iye, you will be there. Ordinarily, I am not supposed to say this. I'm supposed to apologize to Iye because Iye is supposed to flog me. Iye spent more than 2 hours, if not more than, waiting for me. Actually, we are supposed to be there to yesterday, but due to some unforeseen occurrence that was above my control, and because of my engagement, I was not able to meet up. And we now slated it for today. On getting there, we submitted the file number, and they gave us the name before we went to collect the offer letters. So, the truth of the matter is simple. One of the basic characteristics of Stan Lusadi Enterprise is transparency. We know they do one for your back. We'll say, wait for us, wait, will they come? We'll go collect a call, wait. No. If you get anybody for time here, I go tell the person, say, hello, Ade, come. Comrade, my CFO never come. What did it happen? Send your person may come. Because I may be giving you talk, say, and I say, we be human being. It may be difficult for you to believe. But when your own person come give you report, say, yes, so we went there. Yes, so we went there. We went there and I did it. Then, not be me go tell you. Your person go tell you by itself, say, he beg, hey, I see I be. By the power of God Almighty, we want to thank all our esteemed customers. In fact, this particular CFO application is from a member of Edo Diaspora Connect. I won't deceive you. As we speak, I am indebted to the great people of Edo Diaspora Connect, an organization which I head. It is not an easy task for people to repose confidence on you. Do you know what it takes? Somebody you never see before. You just see her for internet, you send her money. What if I run? What if I run? So for somebody to repose confidence on you, and so take. Now that confidence when you repose on we, now we go see repose back on you to make sure that we deliver. The man make another day, you know what more. The man make another day, you know what more. Because there are people who wakes up in the morning preparing, watching to make sure that you fail. Don't say, man, what did happen? They never see men down. Oh, they never see men down. Do you know what happened?
As a day before yesterday, sorry, about 4 days ago, somebody called me. He said, hello, comrade. I want to give you a job. If you see the job, what you give me? That job retain different land. I was shocked. That was already on Friday. For us to do the job on Saturday, I said, man, you win this Sunday. Now we're going to Yakiawu. Do you know what the person told me? He said, I decided to wait for a long period of time before I give you this job to see if somebody will cry out to say, there are so many persons that are still keeping calm till tomorrow. They want to do theirs, but they want to know if real there are sincerity in the hearts and mind of these people. But let me tell you, by the power of God Almighty, it is very, 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 very difficult for a popular person to hide. I am not claiming popularity. I am not saying that now will no. But at least, even if I am a nobody, some people still know me.
Sure.
Even if I am a nobody, some people still know me. So because of this on our part, he has been so patient. Before this offer came, we started this application in 2020 December. Yes. Yes, 2020 December. Immediately after the elections. Greatest thanks goes to our ubiquitous God who gave us the opportunity to be alive. God forbid, Bati. No. God forbid. God forbid. Life is like a Benson cigar. It cannot do it. Now so it be. Now so it be. So by the power of God Almighty, yes, it is also true that we have work in our hands. We'll continue to make sure that we deliver. One assurance I'm going to give everybody here is this, including those watching me. Another man money na picture. If you come here today, you calculate $150 million. Now your own, not be my own. Now picture a bit to me, because let me give you one, give me. One assurance is that you see the money when you send to us, we will do exactly what you send us to do. We will not collect your money and put it into our personal account. Leave that. That one will never be part of it. Somebody called me to say, comrade, obviously when you travel, at least you can go to abroad. I won't deceive you, I like abroad. But how can I go to abroad when so many persons gave me their money to work? So people say, if I want to travel abroad tomorrow, I will no longer accept any CFO application or survey work. I will clear the backlogs, the ones in my hands. Then I can travel. Not be you give me CFO my lad, me amu de push away boo. And don't wait no matter about what you key. No matter about what you key. This place just the lose guard. And don't wait no matter about what you key. Are you getting the point? So by the power of God Almighty, congratulations.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Congratulations. Yes. Yes.
Since December day, offer letter,
But the same thanks goes to the MD and the executive governor of Edo State. Because this year before, how many people forget her? For 200 by 200, you should be ready to pay about 12 million. A former deputy governor, I don't want to mention name, in this state, abandoned his land because he was not able to do a CFO. He not doing, but today, CFO is not available. So if they collect out your land, not blame anybody, blame yourself. We refuse to secure your property. Only say this season now we dey a little bit tight up because we are more concerned about the Ohen of Okoromi. We are determined to make sure say that Ohen of Okoromi, they use them as a scapegoat because that guy won't do too much. He do collect people land. Now UTB. The earlier we begin to let these people know, say now Juju they serve. They're not giving any office to tell them intimidate people. The better for them now. The better for them now. Hey, man. I will not tell you, you want out away, man. Who be you? So we call on the Omonoba. We call on the executive governor of Edo State to quickly intervene. And anyone found wanting should be made to face the full wrath of the law. As a perpetrator of such crime, you must be made to face the full wrath of the law. Whoever will call malicious damage in law, even if you have legal right to issues, there is nothing that cannot be resolved. That is why even the lawyers, the judges, recognize what we call ADRO, an alternative dispute resolution. The judges and the lawyers recognize ADRO, an alternative dispute resolution. If we refuse to send one Enoki, one Ohe to prison, they will continue. You're going to say, Agberavane. Agberavane. We are only talking about the Ohe of Okoromi. Many of them are like this, including the Ohe of Arwagba. I have cases in my hand now. Ohe of Arwagba, they enter people compound, not they sell land. Now so now they hungry. You know when you are corrupt. I do land business now. Not be me you want to. I join away sell out to those things. He may make you talk. And about her. You don't know why I receive one call for GIS just now say, I bet that land where I sell for them. Make I come up, we go survey and make them do see of. I told them I know they do again. The one where I sell for you go secure. People never still know the reason why it's very difficult for me to sell land and to buy land now. They don't know why. See, if you never ready to work for that land, ask me how you dey pay. Before we go pay, you go declare them. As you dey pay, if the person don't agree, make we clear them, make we survey them. I not go tax, I not go sell for you. Before you clear land for one, if you clear land today, and you come back up pay after 1 week, the owner will get that land. If not illegal land, he must clear come out before that 1 week finish. See, I don't go to it because everybody gets who they help the spy land. So if nobody come in that 1 week, say, who can clear my land? I'll tell them, say, I want survey. I want to give you part payment. Take. We agree, say, I go dig foundation. If now me go lose if I dig foundation. So leave her for me. If I don't dig foundation and I walk, nobody come, I will pay. If somebody come, I go pick you, give money, I have to do my foundation. Who you go make back? You will give me my money. If you agree, I will involve. I don't want to go and buy land or sell land for somebody. Except say before me sell land, except say that me go buy that land. I just find the old battle way they side. Let's say I buy like 500 plots. I don't fight battle where they side because battle must day. Don't let anybody deceive you. Battle must day. Then when I don't fight the battle finish, I cannot say to you, say make me go help you buy finish. I don't want community to do survey. Maybe I do work near EA site. They do survey. My phone go ring. Hello, sir. When I'm holding. Otonuguma Deveterio. Or my way where I gbé foundation yo. Maybe those who are let you let it. Is there a gualo? I know they look for that one. Oh. That is the reason why I have refused to add real estate in totality to my business. So many people they call me. I don't know land issue. Sorry, nobody too sabi. But I know land issue way. Kakabolically. When we are not to say Kakabolically. I know him. And I know what they follow land matter. Yeah, former vice chairman. I'm not doing about. I not do number 4. I not be a follower. I was the leader, number 2 man of my community. In respect to youth, number 2 man. So you know go tell me I be. And I still went to school. I studied everything in respect to land. So which thing you want to tell me about land? Street experience, street credibility, I get up. The land in itself, I know. Professionally, now my course. So just rest. So this is the reason why you see I'm saying it's very difficult for me to buy land for person. Except saying that me one seller. Don't want to say I can vouch for myself, say, and I mean one seller. And I'll make sure, say, as we speak today, we get many land for my community to say. Go and ask whether I don't ever call anybody, say, come and follow me back. I never do one. I not get name where I destroy. I not get name when I destroy. The yeah, okay. 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 So, the point being made is very clear. I want to thank and congratulate EA. The reason is this. EA, you don't try now. I said for some period during the elections, after the election, and the court case. Now see your phone matter with the talk. Now everybody had to come down now because now the governor is on seat. Let's take an example. If to say Obaseki not win this Supreme Court issue, forget that see your phone with the talk. The new government go come and go tell you say this is the new policy for CFO. How I feel with you? Oh, I'm handing Mama's offer to her, and she's coming down here. Mama, thank you very much. We hope to hear from you soon. We'll see you. All right. Okay. Okay. Kakabo. Mama is jealously protecting her offer letter. Now who gets your phone? Now I get land. I don't know nothing.
Do see her phone. Whenever to make go to see her phone, they secure land for you. Even if you want to go borrow money, go let you take borrow money.
Mama, thank you very much. All right. So now the point be that we don't drop Mama. Mama don't go. We want to say thank you to her even on her behalf. So my people, una do well. Now the unbonge message when I get for una be this. Now who gets see your phone? Now I get land. Don't let anybody deceive you. I went to go and interview the MD, architect woman. I asked him a question. I said, leader, if for example you issue CFO to somebody, una call later find out say nobody pays the girl, can you withdraw that CFO? He said no. So you can only go to court. So go protect your property. The CFO office has no power to withdraw a CFO. Now they give you, they don't get power to withdraw. The only person that can withdraw your CFO is court. You will only go to court. Who issued the CFO? The establishment that issued you a CFO does not have the power to take it back. Do you know what that means? Now who gets CFO? Now I get land. I don't know. Not they. Secure yourself and your property today. Now, we don't discuss this one. If they only pay me, say, where are they? The network not too good. And I want to look for where now. Buy this 4G network today. Now, O'Hare for Koromi matter. Now we want to talk. And may God bless the new chairman of Tipa Garage. If you look that chairman where you know say he go school, not be recalcitrant. He's not a recalcitrant where you say you don't know it right. Nobody whatsoever have the right, apart from the government. Get that statement clearly. Nobody have the right, apart from the government. Anything outside government, nobody, except court give you order to say go and demolish. And the government said no, you still get full right to go demolish like that. The government can only demolish When they don't already face, because of saying you contravene, and they serve you a contravention notice, you refuse to yield. You continue your construction work. Then the government send you again a stop work notice. You refuse to yield. And if the governor in itself send you that message through the office of the governor, it's invalid. It must be through the Ministry of Town Planning. That message cannot come from the governor in itself. Say because you be governor, you just say I want to. No, it must come through appropriate quarter. Through the organs of government. Like the Ministry of Town Planning, who is in charge of development control in Edo State and across the country. Then when they serve you contravention notice, you refuse, you continue, and you refuse to yield. They send you a stop work notice, you continue, you refuse to yield. Then they will send you what we call demolition notice. When they come to demolish your property, after demolition, you will still pay for the bulldozer that was used. You will still incur the cost. Government will tell you you are owing us so and so for picking bulldozer to destroy your property. You will pay for it. And why will a government demolish your property? Now let me give you some instance. One, there are some persons who wants to get a land at all costs. Let's say you have an intention to build in the GRA. You say, if the land not come out from Horomi, if the land not come out from Egbiri, if the land not come out from Aruogba, or if the land not come out from Ugo, Amagba, or the heart of GRA close to Igbinedi house, I won't buy. And you said don't say land no day. You only land where they are coming land. Don't say no worry, no we get government. But you fail to understand, say government is continuum. Osakwe hoarding might be rainy today. Tomorrow if it not rain again. Tomorrow I will be redundant. May God not let me be redundant in Jesus' name. But if you have foresight, you will know that nothing lasts forever.
No man reigns forever. It's only God that reigns.
Nothing lasts forever. Very soon, some of us they say we the youth. Now when they say we are youth. We will not be with the elders. Then after with the elders, we may be no more. It is life. I mean, an unlock button. So when you have opportunity, you find yourself in government. My dear brother, not use that power to say, give me the land. Now we get on. Now we. If you use your hand that chest, Benin go say, who are deaf and who are? Englishman go add Benin go say, who are deaf and chest? To use that night to say, now we, you can't go buy them. Even your boss even send 1 or 2 documents where you suppose even buy 15 naira, they'll say take it 2 naira. Not be with the government, they'll issue and give you. Let me tell you, when the serious government comes, wait, itu, nothing they call itu, grow for a year, not a year old. If you like, you cry for nothing, tomorrow you go demolish that property. If you like, you say, Nosia, I want to give you a case study, an instance. Under the Oshomole administration, when the government want to dualize road, they say, no, they're not concerned anybody. They roll out, they bulldoze everything down. Many people come and say, compensation. Yeah, but they must compensate. Now the Oshomole administration tell them, say, come. Government is continuity. All where we demolish so, Ogbemudia government don't pay compensation to our father. Live there. All of them come out. Not let anybody deceive you, say the past government. So this is one case. Buying a government land. And now, one fact be say, government they put somebody say, yeah, now my land. Not by me. So people say government land not their community. Sorry to say, I will not mention a name of any community not to spoil their business. But you see that airport road, that road where you see that airport road, that new road Governor Baseki do, go come out for Ogege Junction. Those communities where they there, government land too many there. I don't want to mention one community name. All those communities from the beginning to the end, government get land for all. In fact, that Iyekogba, Ogba, now government now gets land pass for that area. But they won't tell you. They will say a community is ready to sell. I tell them, I say, God used me to save one person. The man can go buy land for Ubai. 100 by 100, 4 million naira. He won't go use your hand to buy. Problem. Now the man call me. As he call me, so I'm going to go there and watch your video. I want to buy land. Please help me to verify. At last, say my verification fee now, so and so. He said that is not a problem. He said that is not a problem. Go and do it. As I reach there, I collect what I want to collect. I send out to appropriate quarter. As result come, they no only tell me say na government land. They show me the land. They tell me the area. They tell me the location. They tell me the category. Now that the man says, see. He say, where so? Now the guy back at the community, they call and say, after now, you know they come again. Now they say, don't change, man. If not, they want, if body communities them know say na government land. You know, land matter is a civil case. The only way you can have problem on land matters is I said to you, I can't go sell for another person. That same land, no problem. But if I said to you, I tell my friend me go sell that same land, it should not do. They'll bail everybody. Your money go pay. You can only drag, go rest. I tell you truth, it's a civil case. Aguyo. That is why you go see say they keep 500 people for community, they'll bail everybody. Na communal war. It is a communal war. People never know the reason why they say Fulani men enter into the community, they burn everywhere, they kill people, government no talk, police no talk, they look. It is communal war. So if you cannot defend yourself, you dey wait for pay to defend you, now you sabi. That is why to some of us, it depends us on a daily basis. Say here in Edo State, we not get leader. Even the youth not get leader. Elders there not get leader. Everybody in a Jackie Sharp. Everybody they assume. Now will. Common statement. Nathan Polo talk. He said, if they not arrange NDDC board, may they wait for them. Minister of Niger Delta or NDDC, this I don't get with you. I don't know where on this city on that. Okpabio, I don't even care about him. Buhari send us a wrong go Niger Delta, go discuss. When they come Niger Delta, President of Ishekiri came out. The Ijaw, National Youth President of Ijaw Nation came out. All of them they come out with their own. Urobo come out. We be new. We are doing none. Tomorrow when they distribute, now after they don't finish their agitation, they come bring something. They say they didn't give the Edo people. Why now? Why? But you have no leadership that can speak for you. Now, can you say anything here in Edo State? May president listen to you. No! You can't say anything. What do you want to say? You have nothing to say. Who will listen to you? When you have no leadership, if one person grow, he reach one level. Now your prayer will still come and say, more drag this guy, then they create one record the jail level. They'll drag you down now for this time. They'll pull you down. Now here and there for the talk say, if your yam or your plantain rep head down, now Pini Eto, now for the happen. Some people there for that place, if they are plantain rep, they'll open now. People see the congratulations for here. If you want that tomorrow morning, come and say to us, say, I have made the aeroplane. The next wish where they are village, you say,
Oh, see that.
okay. If first us win your aeroplane, we remember where we now where we woo, they will kill you. You want to do aeroplane this time? Why if you say when cut the fight war? Now people will don't prosper the key. That leads to reduction of manpower and capable personnel in the society. That leads to reduction of manpower and capable personnel inside. When you kill a doctor, you have succeeded a would-be doctor, a doctor in embryo. If you kill him, you have succeeded in killing more than 1,200 persons. Because that doctor is coming in after learning his profession. He's coming in to treat people. Now, if you kill that doctor, you have succeeded in killing those that he would have treated with his professional know-how. You have succeeded in killing more than 1,200 persons. Because throughout the career of this would-be doctor, he would have catered for 1,200 persons. But now you cut the life short. You'll see them for corner, they talk say 1-0, 1-1, 2-1 for human being head. But I thank God today to some of us, we'll be average Benin boys. I must not join any society before me self go to colo. So if you say you the craze, we craze past you. If you say me peace day, we'll follow you do. If you don't want peace, no shaking. If you don't want peace, no shaking. But thank God say, at the end of the day, we conclude by saying, not gonna kill me for what people do. Kill me for the one way me do. But when you are in this organization, what you don't know one, you don't know two, they'll come shoot you put. Oh, because they'll say what they. Whether that Christopher fuck up or town, you're gonna find what's gonna hold it for Bubai. Why? Why? So I said this to say that on our part, let us have a rethink as we speak. Go Nigeria Delta region, go Ijo. No weapon way another day. SMG Deo, Pop Action, Kalashika, AK-49, RPG. They get everything. Their elders know say their youth get on. But me one boy remove Pop Action come out for here. Now from the area they'll go tell us say, police, he get Pompi. Police, he get Pompi. And Fulani is killing you every day. And now Mumu self will remove the Pompi. He no use the Pompi to protect your people. He gonna use Pompi to defend his fellow brother with one key. Immediately, me will say, hello officer. Oh man, Pompi, oh where am I Pompi? Oh man, Pompi, where are Pompi and light weapon? People get sophisticated arms in the region. Police no. Commissioner of police for their region no. IG no. President no. Are you telling me say the Tompolo not they fall out with their machine? I mean, say people not take this and don't sabi pass Tompolo. Now men go still come out for area say, Wado Mue, Mona can remove this man. That is street way in day. Neither of us can remove him. I'm not preaching violence, but I'm telling you the bitter truth. Nigeria don't pass the level where you say you the wait. You the wait. May person can't defend you. My dear brothers and sisters, as I tell like this, so if you see barrel for man, you have no right to. If you tell me say where I get barrel, I will ask you say come. As I tell like this, how many times you don't come secure me? If you come to my house, for example, you enter, you see barrel, you don't get what you want to talk. I will go to the station, I will collect my barrel back. Eh? What do they talk? Let me just cut the long story short here. Nasiofo matter, but with the verse at times. So at times we just tell the truth as it be. So I want to say a very big thank you to all our esteemed customers. This topic will come back in the evening, but we just discussed about the offer letters while we throw little light on issue relating to our collective interest. Edo people, get set and have a leader. Get set and have a general leader. When you get them, if you make statement, don't say our leader don't yarn. Now so we talk. And maybe the leader come and say the leader say not go corrupt too. You know someday they just say, I should just put them for the opportunity, they talk say, Jesus! This position where it as well I don't blow. Instead of to the think I want to use and tell the movie people forward, you go think I want to use and blow for money. May reach. Say you really get leader where they selfless, we agree to do one. He can emerge bros, if we say we don't get any bad federal road for Edo, no federal road go bad. Why they do like that? Maybe one leader, the youth leader or our general leader say everybody as a been all citizens no go to market, block everywhere. Bros, I know deceive you. Government go run act. Better running acting. You know they call running acting. They will run act. Why they do that? Not because people go to collect money for bank, make government not the two act. The people who are supposed to talk don't eat. People who are supposed to talk, they don't eat.
They have belly food.
And they don't belly food. They'll say, leave and say supposed to be more your rest. People when I got the men together say, we no agree. When they call down and go, not say government sharp, they'll bend or they look at them. They'll say, this John is one of the problem. They'll fair go arrest John. Now you normal arrest too. They'll carry John go corner when they don't arrest him. You say maybe John go to say police they carry the ghost or whichever thing when they take arrest him. They'll carry go corner and say, John, what's your problem? Take your extra cool blessing. When they will collect a blessing, they say, come here. As not the men again go fire men for the 2 days say, Mother tell them, but just give the chance. Let us see the way they can perform. You never they spend money. My brother, how many will fit talk? We have more you live there. When he does say they don't come out for anybody, he go say get one work when your new start now. Work when they go. The next 2-3 weeks, you go to move one better private jeep. Come on. He go say, my brother, Amarine. He go see the say, he say, everywhere I get I blow, everywhere I do. I beg my people, we know them when we are back. Have a lovely day. It's me, your brother Sakuno Kodi. Not forget, now get your food, Nigeria. Thank you and bye for now.
I beg, help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share it. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.